watching AUD CAD. I am in it on a personal account. I did enter kind of preemptively um, on this 15-minute engulfing candlestick as well as evening star formation. I'm currently waiting for it to break below this point for a 30-minute break of structure and hopefully a 1 hour engulfing. If it doesn't give me that, hopefully it'll give me it on the next candle, and or it'll give it to me right now and I will enter this trade. Oh, we got 5 minutes. Come on. I will be back with you in 5 minutes if this happens, because I'm not going to enter it now impulsively. I'm going to wait for the candle to close. Alright, I'm about to enter this trade. Oh, gotta open the platform. Where is it? I love that engulfing. Yeah, I'm in. And I'm in on the 100K account as well. Stop loss 92595. And now we set and forget. I'm not going to look at any more markets right now, and we're going to let this play out. I'm targeting the daily structure point, just above it, honestly. So I'm going to set an alert right here and right here. And actually, I do want an alert right here because I want to see how we respect this level. You can see we have played around right here. So I do want to see us break below this and potentially retest to go down to our final take profit. And I do want to close right here. I don't want to get greedy. I do see the potential for this trade to continue to fill these wicks and even come retest this weekly area of interest. So if it breaks below this again next week or something, or if I see another entry after I close this trade, I will potentially be looking to take another position. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome to the end of the week, I guess. This is the trade we took, the only trade we took. We took it on 3 different accounts. So, I mean, I guess we took 3 trades, but they were all the same trade. 2 of them funded accounts. Very glad. We're back on a winning streak. If I can show you right now, we got our almost 4% on the 100K with Maven. Here's the dashboard. There's the trades right here. Almost $4,000 on that trade. And then as well, we did close 1,888 on the 400K funded. So we are back up to 363,000. We can risk about 1,200 if we find a good trade. That gives us 3 good opportunities. And let's just slowly build this account back up. Let's get there. Once we get to about 3,700, I'm going to start risking 1% of 400K again, or 0.5% of 400K again. So once we're risking 0.5%, we should be moving on that one. I will do a little breakdown. I'm very glad we got this trade. So you can see our weekly time frame is bullish. We were bullish here on the weekly time frame. However, our daily time frame gave us this beautiful left head, right shoulder, retesting the neckline. Could have entered this trade right here on this 1 hour engulfing anywhere within here. This is your 1 hour engulfing. 30-minute break of structure, stops up here, targeting the week daily. Targeting daily because we're buying off a daily area of interest. It's not drawn up because I already deleted them. I just recorded all of this once and the audio didn't save, so I'm basically kind of going through it again and repeating myself. So, but you can see there was another area of interest right in here. Boom. And we came up, retested it, rejected it, break a structure. Let's close that because that's not actually where it was. But you could see after our 4-hour time frame, this is what I was waiting for. This honestly was good, but it was at 7, so I just wasn't interested in it then, and it was way too quick of a retest. Realistically, it could have been gone. I am thankful it came back up and gave me this rejection and entry, and I am glad I did not get greedy with my profits. And yeah, overall this was a good trade. So 4-hour goes bullish, then goes bearish here. We are bearish right now. We pull back up to retest round psychological level. Previous structure point right here would be your previous structure point. You can see I would consider that a retest previous structure point. On your lower time frame, 30-minute up, 30-minute engulfing candlestick right here, 15-minute break of structure, 1 hour engulfing candlestick. That was my entry right there. Beautiful, simple, one and done. A few pips above the break of structure. I also wanted to be above this structure right here, so I just went right above that, called it good, above round psychological level, set the take profit, and we were one happy camper. Now, like I was saying last week, and I'll have to put this area back, I can see price, and actually it's a beautiful area now, but I want to put it back how I had it. I think it was like this. I mean, yeah, it fills those. I was saying I did see this consolidation, this zone right here, and I wanted to see price. I thought it was going to do that before it got to our take profit. However, we just soared right to take profit, and I'm very thankful for that. But I do believe price is coming up now to retest this to continue either going down, or we have to look at the higher time frames here. We could be potentially retesting this area of interest right here, which that may be too big. No, I mean, I don't think that's too big. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 taps. And let me just delete this so that we can see 7 taps. We can even lower it a little bit. Because this area of interest right here, we could be retesting previous structure point on the weekly time frame to go long. And so then this consolidation right here on the 4-hour time frame and on the lower time frames could just be that pullback. You see, we're slowly having that pullback, and if we actually mark up this, you can see we're just retesting this previous structure. This is that weekly structure, so we're just retesting this previous structure to potentially go long. Unless we break below, honestly, this point, yeah, I do believe we are going to end up entering buys on this pair. What I do want to see, though, is structure go bullish on the daily. So I would realistically have to see from here, from this point, I would need to see price break above this point. If price comes down, touches this zone, gives me an elbow, and gives me a shift of structure here, like, you'll understand it when I see it, or if we see it. Like if it does this, if it comes down, breaks below, gives me an elbow, and then breaks up, I know I'll be ready for buys. So could potentially take this lower time frame. It'd be like another short to here. But I want to see, let's see, I haven't even really analyzed this too much yet. I haven't done my breakdown yet. Because 1 hour time frame is bullish now. 30 minutes bearish though. Barely. 15 minutes bullish. Yeah, I would need to see another break of structure here. Actually, we are bearish. We kind of did have. We broke this low, but yeah, no, I don't know. I'd have to see more price action. Realistically, I probably won't even look at this trade because I just won on it. And I'll go through all these and see what other options we got. But thank you guys for making it to the end of another video. Sorry, I feel like I definitely explained it a lot better in my last recording, but I wasn't. The audio didn't save, so I apologize for that. Hope I explained everything pretty well. Yeah, we had a great week, and I'm just ready to kill it next week. Let's just continue to grow, continue to make money. Hope you guys are learning stuff. And if we can get 50 likes on this video, that would be great. We are almost at 50 subscribers, and I can't even believe it. Thank you guys. Like, I didn't think anybody was even going to see this. So, you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys again on Sunday breakdowns.